Jordan Brand continues its playful streak with the kids-exclusive AJ1 Low pizza, a food-inspired design packed with clever details. This tasty themed pair features tan leather underlays and glossy black overlays, mimicking pizza crust and a pan-fried edge. The golden-trimmed swoosh evokes melted cheese, while the red and white checkerboard tongue tag and insole reference classic pizza parlor tablecloths. A white midsole and red outsole round out the colorway, nodding to tomato sauce. Adding to the fun, the sneakers come in custom pizza box packaging marked with "Made Fresh since 1985" and a skill-themed checklist in place of toppings. A pizza slice-shaped hang tag featuring melted Jumpman pepperoni completes the theme with a collectible twist. The AJ1 Low pizza is set to launch later this year exclusively in kids sizing through Nike.com and select retailers. This release blends playful storytelling with iconic Jordan style, sure to be a hit among younger sneaker fans.